Social media has been buzzing for the last 10 days with the news of global football star Cristiano Ronaldo launching a YouTube channel. He impressed YouTube users with the extraordinary numbers he achieved just hours after creating the channel. In less than 24 hours, he received the golden play button after reaching 1,000 subscribers in record time. The channel has been growing rapidly, surpassing many top YouTubers worldwide. This trend represents a golden opportunity. Anyone interested in starting a YouTube channel and quickly meeting the monetization requirements, even those who already have a channel but haven't achieved monetization, can take advantage of this trend. I'm going to share a free method with you that will help you capture viewers' attention, keep them on your channel for as long as possible, and have them return regularly using this strategy. Many of you have probably seen comparison videos over the past few days between different channels using live streams on YouTube, especially comparisons with Cristiano Ronaldo's channel, which, as we mentioned, is surpassing many others. In today's video, I'll show you how to make similar videos, thousands of views and subscribers, and meet the monetization requirements as fast as possible. Let's get into the details and practical explanation together. The first thing I want to point out is that all the tools we need for today's video are free, so you won't need to spend anything to take advantage of this trend. All the tools I'll be using will be linked in the video description. The first site we'll use is livecounts.io, which allows you to get an accurate subscriber count for the channel you want to compare. You can use another sites as well, but the important thing is to ensure the count is accurate and matches the channel on YouTube to guarantee the success of your live stream. There are also two important points to consider. 1. You need to choose a channel that's already popular with a large number of followers and one that people are interested in. 2. You should select a channel with a subscriber count close to that of Cristiano Ronaldo's. If we look at Ronaldo's channel today, it's around 57 million subscribers. So head over to Google and search for a YouTube channel with around 60 million subscribers. Many popular channels are in this range. Focus on channels that are very famous, like Taylor Swift with 59.9 million subscribers, and choose one to compare with Cristiano Ronaldo's channel. Go back to the site and search for Taylor Swift's channel, for example, and you'll see how the count moves consistently. You'll want to arrange the browser so that it covers half the screen, and in the other half, you'll add Cristiano Ronaldo's channel by opening a new tab in the same browser. We're going to use this setup to record the screen while also going live on YouTube. You have two free tools to choose from, and you can benefit from either one of them. First tool is OBS, and the second one, which I use, is Streamlabs. Both will do the job, so feel free to choose whichever one suits you. After you open OBS or Streamlabs, click on Add Scene and create a new scene. Under this scene, we're going to add two browser windows. Click on Add Source and select Window Capture. Next, select the browser window for the first channel and repeat the process to add the second browser window, this time selecting Ronaldo's channel. This way, your screen will look like this, with both channels side by side. Adjust the windows so they are equal in size. To add more professionalism to your stream, you can also include background music. Click on the Add button again, select Media Source, and upload a music file that you've already downloaded from Epidemic Sound or any other source you have. Once all the settings are in place, click on Go Live at the bottom of the screen and let the live stream run with the comparison. Now I want to draw your attention to two very important things. First, make sure you create a good thumbnail for the stream that includes Ronaldo and the other person you're comparing. Canva can help you a lot with its ready-made templates. The second important thing is the title and description of the stream. Make sure the names of both people are in the title and include links to the channels you're comparing in the video description so your stream appears in search results. You can use this method to take your channel to the next level and meet the monetization requirements if you haven't already done so. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.